Hello Rover peeps, it's been a while since I've done anything on my car and I have an oil leak which, I don't know if you can't quite see this, but it's very oily back here, dripping onto the manifold and burning off. I've been getting some nasty burny smells of late. In fact, look, you can see that there, look, patch there. So I'm suspecting, because of the placement of the oil, it's coming right under the top of the rocker area, that I think it's the gasket that has gone. And indeed, if I was to inspect said gasket, it's looking quite old and worn. In fact, when it came off, it was quite a big blob of oil came out. So I don't know what state of the engine is in looking at this. There's a lot of fresh oil in there, there's a lot of oily deposit on there, but things don't look blocked, or oil's definitely coming out where it should be, squirting out. It's definitely been able to drain. So pooling, but the car's always parked at an angle. Anyway, I'm going to get another gasket, stick it on, see if that solves the problem. And there we go. The old gasket didn't really come out very well. In fact, there's bits of it, particularly where the leak is. Yeah, we've ended up with quite a lot of crusty gasket stuck to it, so I need to get all of this removed. Parts of it, not too bad, but back here, yeah, I've got to clean all this off, pop a new gasket on. Right, so a little bit of sealant on the underside of that gasket to hold it into the rocker cover, and I've replaced it and then put the screws back on, and I managed to drop a washer. It's not got in the engine or anywhere where it shouldn't be, it's just on the floor somewhere, but I'm sure I'll be able to recover that or get a washer or something like that. I have heard on the forum on Facebook that you can get a silicone gasket. Obviously I've used another cork gasket here, so I'm considering that to be just a stopgap, and then I'll put a proper gasket, well, a new silicone gasket on there. Right, I'm going to start the engine, see if I have a leak. Right, last video, ran the engine, brought it up to temperature, and yes, true, there's no new oil coming from the rocker covers, but there's a lot of oil down there which appears to be burning off. So I don't think it's a good idea to be driving around with that much oil on the engine. And if we can see, it's very oily down there, is it not? And I think I need to figure out how to clear that off, because you can smell it burning. I'll also need to discover if that's actually there's any new oil coming out from somewhere. But I have cleaned off this bit here, which is you can probably see that little bit of clean metal there. There's no new oil on it, so I think I need a bit of a clean, and that'll give me a good idea if I've actually still got a oil leak problem, or if there's something else back there. But if you do know if there's something else back there, then let me know that I should be concerned about. I can't see it being. I mean, there must be oil. I mean, this is, again, I'm learning here, aren't I? So I can't think if it's head gasket. I mean, the engine runs fine, it purrs, it's beautiful, but there's an oil leak, and it's not causing engine degradation or anything like that. Performance. I don't know. YouTube, help me out, please. Bye.